Hello, little friends. Today, I'm going to tell you a fascinating story about a very special truck. Are you ready? Sit down, open your eyes wide, and let's step into the magical world of talking vehicles together. On a small road leading to a construction site, a group of hardworking vehicles was busy at work. The yellow excavator was using its big shovel to scoop piles of sand into a truck. The green dump truck cheerfully carried bright red bricks to the site. Meanwhile, the tall crane truck stretched out its long arm, carefully lifting heavy bricks and placing them onto the dump truck.
Help! Help me! Help!
Huh? Hey, you! Let's go!
Go, 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 go!
Working together is so much fun. The excavator cheered. The green dump truck beamed. I'll make sure to carry the bricks safely to the site. But guess what? There was a very special brick among the load. It wasn't just an ordinary brick. It could talk. The little brick lay among the others, sighing. I'm just a tiny brick. Everyone thinks I'm just a lifeless object.
Dun-dun-dun-dun! Hey, you!
And away we go!
And then thud, the green dump truck accidentally dropped the little brick onto the road. Ouch, the brick cried. Did I just fall? Oh, that hurts. Oh no, what will happen next? Can you guess? While the little brick was still worried, a pink truck carrying building materials approached from afar. She was adorable and always wore a pink bow on her head.
Go, 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 go!
Hey, you!
La 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 Tilda, what a beautiful day. The pink truck sang happily, but then bam, oh no, what was that? The pink truck gasped. She had tripped over the little brick, lost her balance, and plop, fell into a deep hole on the side of the road. The little brick shivered in fear. Oh no, it wasn't my fault, but what should I do now?
Thank you very much!
Kids, if your friend is in trouble, would you help them? Just then, the red tow truck and the tall crane truck happened to pass by. Seeing the pink truck stuck in the hole, they quickly stopped. She needs our help. The tow truck said. The crane truck nodded. I'll use my hook to lift her up.
Let's go!
Go, 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 go!
The crane's metal hook stretched down and carefully latched onto the pink truck. 1, 2, 3, thud. The pink truck was pulled out of the hole. Party popper, thank you so much. The pink truck cheered happily. It's nothing. The tow truck said kindly, helping friends is something everyone should do.
Hey, you! Let's go!
Oh, yes! Go, 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 go!
Go, 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 go! Yaha!
But there was still a problem, wasn't there? The road was now damaged. What should they do? The excavator quickly said, I'll scoop up some soil to fill it in. The pink truck added, I'll bring small stones to make the road sturdier. Everyone worked together enthusiastically, and in no time the road was smooth and strong again.